we've still got to face the next major problem that faces language learners, and especially learners of languages like Chinese that are a bit more exotic, which is in order to start reading and listening and understanding sentences and feeding your language module, you need to have at least a basic foundation of the most common Chinese words in order to start to understand simple sentences, right? Now, using traditional methods, a few hundred common characters and words is usually the minimum to achieve this. Once you get to that stage, you can start consuming content and improving your listening and reading capabilities, and that will allow you to look at more difficult and engaging content and so on and so forth. So basically, your goal is to get on this positive cycle of reading, listening, then understanding what you read and listen to, which improves your vocabulary and grammar. And then you can be more equipped to listen to more advanced and more engaging material, and that improves you further, and so on and so on and so on. For Latin-based languages like Spanish or French, once you've got to grips with the basics of the pronunciation and spelling, you can actually start learning words fairly quickly and easily. However, with Chinese, there is the rather unique problem of characters. Now, I put off learning Chinese characters for a long time, and it was the major cause of my slow progress and frustration because I couldn't read mainly. But once I started to learn Chinese characters, everything just started to click into place. If you want to take Chinese to any sort of level, any sort of decent high level, there's just no way around it. You're gonna have to learn Chinese characters, quite a lot of them. And before we came along, there wasn't really a method out there that could allow you to learn everything you need to know about a character easily and quickly. By which I mean not just how to read it, but also how to pronounce it and even how to write it.